Hey guys, in this video we're going to look at how to only show this formula output once the user submits the form. So whenever the user click this submit button, we want to show the output. So let's see how to do that. So currently we have the submit button added, and it has few actions: receive email notification and send email to respond and navigate to external. So once the user submits the button, it lets you do some actions, but we're going to look at the other button here. So we just introduced this one, but we're going to remove this submit button and we're going to add the button element instead, which is slightly more advanced than the submit button. It lets you do more than this, just the submission. So first of all, we do want to do the form submission. So let's just toggle use as form submission. We can keep the success message as it is. Let me just change it to show result. And let's now add some actions. So the good thing about the button element is once you add in, let's say this action, receive email notification, you'll also notice you have the conditionally enable action. So what does that mean? So let's say you have two emails set up. One once the user, so if the initial investment is, let's say, more than $10,000, you want to send this email to yourself. And if the initial investment is less than $10,000, you want to send the other email to yourself. So with conditionally enable actions, you can do that. You can set some conditions to receive this email notification. You can set some other conditions to receive other email notification, and you can add as many email notifications here. So what we want to do here is we want to show this ROI formula output once the user done the submission. So what we'll do is we'll add the set input, and we go to our variable tab. Let's just create one input here and call it show result. Let's also name it something here. Good. And let's just set the default value to 0. So 0 means, let me also go here first, and let's toggle the conditional visibility. And if you notice, like the variable to control the visibility, this element will be shown when the resulted value is true or not 0. So let's just set it to 0, and let's just set the conditional visibility to show results, and let's just preview. It should hide initially. And let's go to our show result button. This will submit the form. We have added the action. Let's just go into the set input. Let's just set this input to a value other than 0. So let's just create a value of 1 in a variable, excuse me, so other than 0. So if it's other than 0, it's gonna show. So let's just hit save. Let's get our link. Because submission doesn't work in our preview mode, we have to go to your production calculator to test this out. So let me add my email. So it does the form submission and it shows the result field. So that's all for this video, and I'll see you next time.